This is how we can separate the screen time from the iPad and iPhone. So let me explain it. So obviously we're going to go to the settings, and in the left panel we can find the screen time in here, and we are talking about the data section, which collects the information about yourself and the usage. So you can click on see all apps and website activity, and first of all you can see which device this applies to. Right, so if you have multiple devices, you might see the ability to switch between the view, right? So let me just bring in here another device, like another iPad, which I have in here, which is on like a different network of devices. And if I go to the settings there and find the screen time in here, you can see that if I tap there, I can click on the devices in the top right corner and actually decide which one I want to show the data from, right? So you can see it might be from the iPad, from MacBook, iPhone, or even all devices. So that's very important because you have to make sure that you are browsing the proper data, and that's kind of how you can separate the data which is shown just from the iPad or from all of your devices. So that's the first thing. But as you can see below in this section, in screen time settings, you can see the share across devices toggle, and you can see that you can enable this, and of course it will be shared to other devices like iPhones and iPads on the same network. So you can also disable it. So not only can you switch between the different views from the devices, but you can also disable the sharing altogether. So I hope that this was the thing that you are looking for and that I was able to help you out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Of course, it applies on this iPad as well. You can disable sharing across devices and it would essentially get the job done. So let me know what you think. Subscribe for more similar videos like this one, and I'll see you later.